On the 15th of March 2025, two Italian scientists in a conference revealed some secrets of Giza pyramids which were buried under the pyramids for thousands of years. They have detected a very large network of tube-like shafts under the pyramids which meet a chamber as big as 2 football fields under the ground. This astonishing claim created a stir in the internet world. People who were till now considering pyramids as the tombs of pharaohs. It's 2 kilometers. Complex network of shafts till the bottom has revealed a new purpose of the pyramids. But how much truth is there in these claims? Were the pyramids really just the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs, or did they have some such purpose which even our mind is not able to reach? Once again, flattery in the videos of ZemTV. Nazreen, there is a place in the silent desert of Sahara Desert where time has stopped. 3 Dev Kamat stone mountains have been standing silently for thousands of years. Neither are they affected by storms nor can the fast pace of time harm them. Gaza's famous ancient pyramids Khufu, Khafre and Menkaure stand silent even today as the biggest mysteries of human history. Imagine the weight of each stone with which they were built, as much as a bulldozer or a fully loaded 20-feet cargo container, and just one pyramid is made by combining 23 lakh such stones, that too without the help of any crane. Giza pyramids are not only the pride of Egypt but also a 4,500-year-old puzzle that scientists, archaeologists and historians are trying to solve till date. All the discoveries that have been made inside the pyramids till now show that these were the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs, but were they only tombs? The answer to this has not been found till date. There are a total of 3 big pyramids in Giza Plateau. The biggest one is also called Khufu, or the Great Pyramid of Giza. Khafre comes second, and the third is the Pyramid of Menkaure. But what is the reason that we call them the tombs of ancient Egyptian kings? Actually, burial chambers have been found in all 3 of these pyramids. A room where someone is buried. Sarcophagus were found inside the burial chambers in Khufu and Khafre pyramids, but there was no mummy inside them. Then why was it believed that there used to be a mummy here? We got a hint of this from the smallest pyramid. During an expedition in 1837, a mummy was found here, but with a twist. There was indeed a mummy in the sarcophagus found inside the burial chamber here. But when that sarcophagus was sent to Britain via ship for further research, the ship sank on the way, and the sarcophagus of Menkaure is still lost somewhere in the unknown world of the ocean. This is the reason why archaeologists were forced to believe that the sarcophagus in the first 2 pyramids also once contained mummies. Perhaps the looters took them away in greed for treasure. But if these 3 pyramids were just mummies, then why are so many secrets hidden inside them? What was the need to leave so many mysteries? Some people say that this work is the work of a creature from space, while others believe that these were part of the ancient energy grid scattered in the world. Not only the size of these 3 pyramids but also their alignment is a puzzle that can be unraveled. The pyramids of Giza, which are thousands of years old, are aligned according to the exact cardinal direction. That is, north, south, east and west. And this alignment is so perfect that even today's GPS systems would feel ashamed. Was it just a coincidence or some secret knowledge or skill of an advanced civilization? For the last 150 years, modern science was puzzled by the secrets of the raised structure of the pyramids. But the real secret is probably hidden beneath it. On the 15th of March 2025, 2 scientists from France and Italy have claimed that with the help of radar, they have discovered a very large complex structure beneath the pyramids. Synthetic appearance radar, which is also called SAR in short. Using this technology, these people have detected a 2 kilometers long underground structure beneath the Khafre pyramid, which may be spread beneath all 3 pyramids. They say that 8 shafts have been detected beneath the Khafre pyramid, which go up to 650 meters. And a spiral staircase is also built around each vertical shaft. And the most surprising thing is that 2 very large chambers have been built beneath these shafts, whose size is as big as 2 football fields. While earlier it was only believed that the pyramids were the tombs of the pharaohs, the claims of these scientists have started a new debate in the world of history. Whether the real purpose of the pyramids was something else. In the year 1905, the famous inventor of history, Nikola Tesla, said that the pyramids were built to harness the internal energy of the Earth, and focusing on this, he was also working on a project of wireless energy transmission. But he died mysteriously before that project could be completed. And now this new so-called discovery has given another opportunity to revive Nikola Tesla's theory. But here the question arises that if such a discovery has been made, then what is the proof of it? How did he detect underground structures with the help of just a radar? And especially that radar which was deployed in a satellite present in space 400 kilometers above the ground. To understand in simple words, let us take the example of a normal radar. Normal radar transmits signals towards the ground which bounce off various objects and go back to the radar. The signals that are received come back quickly, which means that they bounced off a higher place, and where the ground is deep, it means that the signal will take more time to reflect and come back. In this way, the shapes of various objects and their distance are estimated. But the problem is that these signals cannot penetrate hard objects like stones and can only penetrate a few feet inside the ground. So how did they detect structures up to 2 kilometers below the pyramids? Renowned scientists Corrado Molina and Filippo Bianchi say that they have used the vibrations of the Earth as signals which were captured in the synthetic aperture radar. Our Earth produces very subtle vibrations all the time, which can also be caused by strong winds. Due to the traffic in the city, and in the case of Cairo, due to the flow of water from the Nile River. These fine vibrations are called micro-movements, which pass through different parts of the Earth and produce a unique signal. For example, ringing an empty box produces a different sound from ringing a filled box. Similarly, the vibration signals in the cavities and empty spaces inside the Earth are different from those in non-cavity spaces. He says that with the help of SAR satellite, he captured many pictures of the pyramid at different times and analyzed its vibrations with the help of a computer. The computer software estimated, based on the pattern of vibrations, which shape could be at what depth below the Earth at which point. And this data was given the form of a 3D picture, which is just an estimate that there are 8 shafts below the pyramid and 2 very large hollow chambers at their bottom. But how do these look in reality, and whether these are below the pyramids or not? For this, excavation is required. To prove these claims true, Corrado Molina and Filippo Bianchi have sought permission to excavate beneath the pyramids, which the Egyptian government is not going to give under any circumstances. The scientific community has called this claim of Corrado Molina and Filippo Bianchi false. Egypt's famous archaeologist Zahi Hawass also says that these claims have been made only to gain fame, while there is no truth in them. The scientific community says that if this technology can tell about the world beneath the pyramids, then why not test it first at a place where we know what exists beneath? This will give a reason to trust this technology. There is no doubt that the Giza pyramids have amazed humanity for thousands of years. Whenever an attempt is made to solve one thing here, a new challenge arises. From their geometric shape to their perfect north direction, the Giza pyramids are full of countless mysteries. For example, the geographic coordinate of the Great Pyramid of Giza is 29.9792458 degrees north. And surprisingly, the speed of light in meters per second is 299,792,458 meters per second. How are these two numbers exactly the same? How can such a big coincidence happen? Not only the speed of light, but exact mathematical references of the golden ratio have also been found in the shape of the pyramid. They are such that one side of the base of the pyramid is 230.4 meters long. If we have it, it becomes 155.2 meters and the slope of any one side is 186.4 meters high. If the ratio of these two is calculated as 186.4, 115.2, then the answer comes to be 1.618. Surprisingly, if you check this number on Google, its value is equal to 5, which is also called the golden ratio. This golden ratio is a number that is seen repeatedly in nature. Flower leaves, seashells and human faces also have the golden ratio. The concept of the golden ratio was first defined by Greek mathematician Euclid 2,300 years ago. But at that time it was called divine proportion. Later it was used repeatedly in art, nature and architecture. And today we call it the golden ratio. So was it a coincidence to use the value of the golden ratio 4,500 years ago? Along with all these facts, if this discovery of underground structures by the Italian scientist also turns out to be true, then it means that our guess about the pyramids till now was completely wrong. Perhaps those who built these mountains of stone above the ground have also hidden many secrets under the ground. What is your opinion about this? Do let me know in the comment section. I hope you will like and share this video of ZemTV. See you in the next great video.